While trading is closed on February 3rd, 2020, we'll go over our calls. After this collapse on Friday, we looked for higher prices today, which we got. Looked for the pattern with the early low, which we got, and had a MEJT target, which printed. At some point, we should take out this high, and usually it's pretty quickly, but if it doesn't happen by early tomorrow, I don't have any time frame. These spikes and gaps, those aren't stable patterns, they get retested. Same thing goes for this spike and this gap. I expect this to get filled at some point as well. Doesn't say which one comes first, unfortunately. During the day, MEJT said that blip up and that blip down wouldn't hold and would retrace. People wonder how you make money on this. Well, you don't lose money. That's the point. It tells you not to chase these moves, and if you can avoid losing, it's going to make it all the much sweeter when you win. You're always going to win sometimes and lose sometimes. Maximizing winners is one way to get ahead, and so is minimizing losers. Here's what we said. Tomorrow has the early low. The volume tells us we probably had a climactic bottom, and the put-call ratio is saying the same thing, even though this whole pattern isn't very healthy off the top. Usually when you get a spike like this in volume, you're going to rally more than a day, but that doesn't mean you'll go up tomorrow. I'm working with this wave count. There's no way to be certain it's right at this time. But I think we're in red B, and there should be an ABC. Now where B ends, I don't know. Where C ends, I don't know. But that's what I'm looking for at this point. Then there should be a wave red C, and the rally continues. Tuesday's pattern has the early low. We could gap up. We had a gap up, higher high, couldn't hold on to any of the highs. It's negative. Unless the high day falls promptly, lower prices should print. Doesn't guarantee we'll close lower. Now this pattern usually closes near the high. When that doesn't happen, either you gap up and take this high out fast, or else lower prices print and gap up, high, higher high. Can't hold them, it's negative, but it's not as bleak as it looks, because after dropping all day, you couldn't close under any of these lows either. Kind of no man's land. Even the futures are down as I'm recording it. There's no guarantee we're going to close down. If we gap up and take this out, you get a nice ABC without breaking any rules. Only call I'm going to make for tomorrow is we have the early low, and if we don't take this high out early, we should trade lower. But no prediction as far as whether we close lower or not. And that's today's call.